How to hide friend list on Facebook account. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to hide friend list on Facebook account. So do watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch the Facebook app on your device. Make sure to log in and sign into your account. After that, tap the three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down on the menu page. Tap Settings and Privacy. Choose Settings. Under Settings and Privacy, scroll down. Locate Audience and Visibility section. Tap How people find and contact you. Tap Who can see your friend list at top of the screen. Tap Only Me next to Who can see your friend list. You will see all the options or the audiences. If you have chosen the audience to public, simply select Only Me and your friend list on Facebook account will be hidden. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.